For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a cattle farming business is a profitable and sustainable venture, especially when enhanced with modern AI tools. Artificial intelligence can help with planning, land management, herd health, feed optimization, market analysis, and much more. Below is a step-by-step, 1,000-word guide on how to start a cattle farming business with the help of AI. Step 1. Define your business model and goals. Before anything else, decide what kind of cattle farming you want to pursue. Options include beef production, dairy production, calf rearing and breeding, organic or grass-fed beef. AI tools. ChatGPT for brainstorming business models. Notion AI or ClickUp AI for organizing your ideas and timelines. Prompt for ChatGPT. Help me brainstorm different cattle farming business models and their pros and cons. I want a business that suits a rural area with access to pastureland. Step 2. Conduct market research. Identify your target market. Local meat processors, milk distributors, grocery stores, or consumers. Understand demand, competition, and pricing. AI tools. ChatGPT for market analysis. Crayon AI for competitor tracking. Google Trends plus Bard AI for spotting consumption patterns. Prompt for ChatGPT. Analyze the cattle farming industry in your country or state, focusing on current demand for beef or dairy, local competitors, and opportunities for a new entrant. Step 3. Create a business plan. A strong business plan is essential to attract investors and secure loans. Include executive summary, market analysis, operational plan, financial projections, marketing strategy, AI tools, ChatGPT for drafting your business plan. Live plan with AI-assisted templates for business planning. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write me a detailed business plan for a cattle farm focused on grass-fed beef production with a target of 100 head of cattle in the first 2 years. Step 4. Choose and acquire land. Look for land with access to water, good pasture quality, room for herd expansion. Use satellite AI tools to assess land condition. Climate AI to assess climate resilience. Farm shots or granular to evaluate soil and land productivity. Prompt for ChatGPT. What are the key factors to look for when selecting pasture land for a cattle farm in your location? Step 5. Choose cattle breeds and buy livestock. Select breeds based on climate, feed availability, and purpose, beef or dairy. Popular breeds. Beef, Angus, Hereford, Brahman. Dairy, Holstein, Jersey, Guernsey. Use AI-powered breeding databases. CattleMax for breed tracking and herd records. BovControl for performance analytics. Prompt for ChatGPT. Compare the best cattle breeds for grass-fed beef farming in a tropical or semi-tropical environment. Step 6. Plan and build farm infrastructure. Build or acquire. Fencing, barns and shelter, watering systems, feed storage, loading ramps, AI tools, AutoCAD with AI add-ons for infrastructure layout, Archistar for intelligent land planning. Prompt for ChatGPT. What are the essential structures needed for a cattle farm with 100 cows, and what's the estimated cost for building them in location? Step 7. Hire and train staff. You may need farmhands, veterinarians, ranch managers, AI tools, ChatGPT for writing job descriptions, Touring AI or Hire Easy for sourcing skilled candidates, Trainual AI for onboarding and training documentation. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write me a job description for a cattle farm operations manager with experience in herd management and pasture rotation. Step 8. Use AI for herd and farm management. Efficient herd management is critical to long-term profitability. AI tools. CattleMax for herd health and breeding tracking. BovControl for monitoring cow behavior, feed intake, and productivity. Vents for virtual fencing and pasture management. FarmBot or Precision Hawk for smart feeding and crop management. If growing feed. Prompt for ChatGPT. List top AI-powered herd management software tools for small to medium-scale cattle farms and compare their pricing and features. Step 9. Feeding and nutrition optimization. Use AI to optimize feed. Determine the best mix for weight gain or milk production. Reduce costs and avoid overfeeding. AI tools. OneCup AI or Canis use computer vision to monitor cattle health and feed behavior. Soma Detect for real-time milk quality analysis. Prompt for ChatGPT. How can AI help optimize cattle nutrition on a grass-fed beef farm? And what tools should I use? Step 10. Monitor animal health and breeding. AI can help you track illnesses, manage breeding cycles, and reduce veterinary costs. AI tools. IDA by Connectora for detecting lameness, mastitis, and heat cycles. Moocall for calving alerts. NetApp Cow Control for fertility and health tracking. Prompt for ChatGPT. What are the best AI tools for tracking reproductive health and early signs of disease in a cattle farm? Step 11. Market and sell your products. Decide whether to sell live cattle, packaged beef/dairy, direct-to-consumer or B2B. AI tools. ChatGPT for drafting your marketing plan. Canva AI for ad creation. Lately AI or Jasper for social media content. Okoya for AI-driven ad scheduling. Prompt for ChatGPT. Create a 6-month marketing plan for a cattle farm launching grass-fed beef subscription boxes to local households. Step 12. Analyze data and improve operations. Use AI analytics to evaluate feed conversion ratios, breeding success, milk yields, market pricing trends. AI tools. Power BI with AI plugins. Tableau with Einstein AI. AgriWeb for real-time reports and dashboards. Prompt for ChatGPT. Suggest ways to use AI-powered data analytics to increase efficiency and profitability on a beef cattle farm. Step 13. Comply with regulations and obtain licenses. Ensure you meet legal requirements for animal welfare, waste disposal, food safety, AI tools. DocuSign with AI compliance features. ChatGPT for summarizing local legal requirements. Prompt for ChatGPT. List the licenses and regulatory requirements for starting a cattle farm in your state/country and how I can stay compliant. Conclusion. AI is revolutionizing cattle farming by offering cost savings, precision, and data-driven insights. With tools like CattleMax, BOF Control, and ChatGPT, even small-scale farmers can operate smarter, not harder. By combining traditional farming knowledge with modern technology, you can build a sustainable and profitable cattle farming business from the ground up. Let me know if you'd like a business plan template or AI tool comparison chart to go with this guide. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.